sweat right now. I'm gonna give you a few drinks.
Okay, I'm doing the intro right now, so.
Oh,
We are playing the new update in Animal Company. And yes, I will add you to the featuring. What's the YouTube name?
I'm just gonna help you because it doesn't look like you have any weapons. So I'm gonna
Yeah,
help
dude,
you
it's in my
because I got a bomb.
backpack.
I've also got a
my intro
It's
because
a
I was
pack.
gonna make a part 2 on this.
I'm gonna climb up here. You can make your intro. You can make your intro now.
It's already done. It's already done.
Yeah. Well, I'm gonna go try to. Well, I'm gonna go try to kill every single monster in the game. Goodbye.
Where are you?
Here, can I go with you?
Sure. Jesus Christ, she's angry at me. I just killed her. Like 10 seconds.
Where are you, cat? Like, I'm your friend. Like, you're not
Where's
just
she?
cat, fuck.
She's back.
When no one looks at her, she starts moving like the peanut from SEC.
Things that I did not. I found in the last episode, but I did not try.
Hey, kitty cat boy, where
the
the
fuck
fuck are you?
Don't be dumb, kid. Revolver ammo, just got some revolver ammo by the way.
Do we just go down there?
1 second. Yeah, sure.
But it's
Jesus Christ,
There's
you terrified me, man! Maybe you just don't go in there. Just go down the stairs.
Scared me, bro.
It's
Don't go in there. Don't go in there.
I
The
know.
guy's
I
in
know.
there.
I got jump scared by it.
hee hee haw. It's down there. It's hee hee haw.
There's also
It was
one
hee
down
hee
there.
haw. Come back! The door's not open. Why is the door not opening?
You orange kitty. Can you come? Like, everyone go to the
Why close it, bro? What if we be closing it?
There we go. I'm opening it.
Like, I'm your friend, you know, the black skeleton from yesterday, and
Come on. We must go find hee hee haw.
can you guys be quiet?
Where's everybody at?
Like, so,
Guys!
like, I'm your friend, like.
Where's hee hee haw?
Everyone, I know how to get stuff. Guys, I know what to build this for. Everyone, I know what to build this for. Put stuff in here, and the yellow thing will fill up. And then when your yellow thing's filled up, come over here, and the yellow thing's filled up.
What's the red thing? What's the red thing?
And then shred the stuff in here. It's yellow, and the thing over there is red. Well, no, both combined. I think you both have it. I think you all have to shred.
Is that how we escape?
Yeah, that's it. You can shred anything.
Guys, it's hee hee haw. It's hee hee haw.
Where is he? I'll shoot him. I'll shoot him with the thing.
Where did everybody else go?
Me? Do not see him. Do not see him. Go, go, go. Right, this is terrifying. I see him. I see him. See him. Go, 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 go.
What's that? Hee 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 haw.
Okay, where's the exit for real? I want to leave this place.
Don't leave yet.
for real.
We cannot leave yet. We need to get everything.
Yeah, that's what I'm talking about.
Come on. Let's go find the place. Come on. Open that door. That leads us to get the ducks. Somebody opened it. That's how we can get the ducks. These two come from little guys.
Guys, stop it.
I'm opening it. Hee hee haw is in there too, though. Be careful.
Yeah, yeah. Hee hee haw is in here as well. Be careful. Hee hee haw. Where are you gonna be hiding there? Everyone grab the ducks. You can use them. It's a star. Grab all the ducks and use the star.
Hee hee haw.
Guys, there's a bunch of ducks in here. There's a bunch of ducks in here. Grab them all. You'll need them for later.
Yeah, get them. We need it for hee hee haw.
I think it's grenades for hee hee haw, alright? He's putting grenades for hee hee haw. What? Hee hee haw.
Come on, guys, mine them. Hee hee haw is down here too, so get every backpack. Our boss died. Boss died.
Our boss died?
Boss died. Still mind them. Still mind them.
Let it rain. Let it rain.
Everybody that's in office, put every Dave the Duck in your backpacks for the shredder.
Where's the office?
We're not even in the office no more.
Oh yeah.
Where can you find a key card in the office?
If
you go into the office, there's like this AI robot.
Okay, can somebody go to office and get at least some key cards?
Well, I didn't know where's the place to leave. That's what I want to know.
Hee-hee-haw's in there. Hee-hee-haw is in there.
No. Okay, well no.
I think hee-hee-haw's in there.
It doesn't open if you back away from it. You should know that. I just hear no.
Hee-hee-haw's in there.
So that's not a good sign.
So, should we go to the shredder?
No. What?
Should we go to the shredder and put these in?
Yeah.
Teammates,
Yeah,
we're
go to the
going to the shredder. So we need you to come with us. Go to the shredder, okay? I don't think they're going to come back.
Oh my God! You survived! No, I just hear no. Or
Yeah,
something.
you survived from hee-hee-haw.
Bro, I just hear no.
Yep, okay.
Hee-hee-hee-haw is over there.
Hee-hee-haw is over there. You have the gun. You have to use it.
I'll try.
Good game, guard. Oh my God, it's hee-haw. How is he not dying?
Why does it seem like he's getting tickled? Why does it seem like he's getting tickled?
Guys, this is a glitched one.
This is a glitch!
Who does it want?
You can't kill him. Does anybody have a box fan? Does anybody have a box fan?
I don't have a grappler,
Does
guys!
anybody have a box fan?
Go.
That's your fault, man.
Come on,
I don't have a
shredder. Everybody's shredder. Whoever's in office.
Does anybody own box fans?
What's up, shredder?
Please, can someone tell me the way out?
This is our way out. This is our key to the way out. This is our key to way out.
No, it isn't! You can just get stuff.
Guys, put a grappler in the thing. Break it.
Don't get that. Mark, put this up in there. You missed the duck. The duck bar's away. It's all away. We need the red bar. The red bar.
You don't know.
Guys, we need to shred stuff. We got our duck bar to fill up, but we need that red bar to fill up. How
What do you mean bar?
The red bar, right there.
Oh. I think it's for bananas because
There's no bananas.
No. I put a revolver in there and it went up a little bit. I
No.
know, but probably for it to be faster we need bananas.
So, if I do,
What the heck?
that did not do nothing, you idiot.
Please,
Who
can
opens the
someone
door?
tell me the way out?
Get bananas, guys.
Do I want you to
Get bananas!
Or I just mind my.
bananas?
I just mind something I should not mind.
Like what?
My pickaxe. Wait, guys.
Bye.
Guys, we must go down there.
Yeah.
We should go down there.
I am not going down there.
Is there anything down there?
Where? Say with me. I am not going down there. Someone with a grappler can. Okay.
What's in
But
there?
I'm not. I
What's
don't have
down-
a grappler. Not really anything special. You can get up easily. You can get up easily. I do not care.
It was hee hee ha. Still recording. But going.
We can take them on, boys. Come on, these majority of them have weapons.
Salam.
Let's fight for our rights.
Can you tell me the way out? Can you please tell me the way out?
Get banana. We need to get our red thing. God, get the red bar up. We need to get our red bar up. So get the bananas.
In order to get bananas, we need to leave. We need to leave.
Wait, we need the key card too. We need a key card.
I have a key card.
Did you put it in? Go put it in.
Go.
Go put it in the back.
Okay. No, don't put it in yet. Don't put it in yet.
Wait, don't put it in yet. Don't put it in yet. Don't. What is wrong with you?
Shoot.
Got our pickaxe in back.
Pickaxe.
Somebody got their grappler back.
Grappler? Grappler?
No, we restarted. We need to go get ducks.
Can someone tell me the way out?
We need to get ducks
Yeah,
again.
where we came, moron.
Well, I just remember where we came from, moron.
Why do?
I also do.
Just do
So
it in
Then
sense,
show me.
okay?
No, I'm not going first. You do.
hee haws down here.
Just
Hee
be careful.
Guys, we should go up the elevator. The elevator that's over here.
Can I have a grappler or something? I just want to get out.
Get Dave. We need to get Dave the ducks. We need to get Dave the ducks.
You could ever know. Make my
We need to get everything that we could find. Everything. Put them in the backpacks. Every duck. And we need to get everything. Everything
Red?
that we have.
Can you please tell me the way out?
I know the way out.
Yeah, dude.
I found an elevator.
I'm gonna get the backpack.
But it leads us
Over
back over
red.
there.
Boys. Hey, go get him.
It leads us back over there though.
What's that? Wait, I'm not that
Other
speed,
side.
like, what's this?
Buddy.
What's this?
That's my grappler.
Ah, top of that.
What is that?
Get the ducks. Get the ducks.
Can you please tell me the way out?
Oh, there.
We need to get out. That's how to get out. We need to get everything to get out.
I can do, guys, try to jump in my arms.
You guys go.
You just have 10 minutes to get out before I close this gate.
We'll close it.
Grab as much as you can and we can.
You mother...
Guys. I found something over here. What's over here?
Just great. Guess we're going piss sliding. Fuck yeah.
What's in there?
Gate open. Thanks, kitty cat.
He died.
Or... Red.
Maybe I'll take the grappler.
Where's the rest of the men?
We're back home. We're back home.
This is not gonna take us back home.
Look at this, look at this.
I bet this. Stay on the floor. Stay up on the ceiling if you have grappling.
Yes, we're back.
We're not. We're
Get a
back.
key card. Oh wait, Clark, this way.
No, we're back actually.
Hey, show yourself, mister. I got
But we're back. Guys, I found the way out.
Let's go.
It's not hard to find the way out.
Come back. Don't go.
No! Open the door!
Wait!
Once you go down, just wait for me down there. Don't go anywhere, okay?
Open the door!
Okay, don't press the don't press the button. I'm trying to get into the elevator. Do not press the button. What are you doing? How did you get that pickaxe to turn pink?
Oh, I got it from the first time we used the key card
Yeah,
to
it's kind
make
of
the stuff
scared me,
big and
like, very
small and
bad.
stuff.
Oh my god.
And that's how I got the second grappler.
I'm in the building. I'm coming to save you. Come back down.
We're trying to go down, but you guys keep on using the elevator, so we can't go down. Guys, wait, come back.
I'm in the corner.
Guys,
Hey,
follow me.
We're over here. We're here. Over here.
Yeah, the exit's this way.
We all know
I
that.
don't want to go to the exit.
We all
I don't want to go to the exit.
We don't want to go to the exit. We actually want to finish this thing.
You can't finish
Yay.
it. It's just infinite.
Okay.
Boys, I return.
No!
No, no. Pull yourself through. Come on, buddy.
Yeah, kind of hooked me right
You're
back.
alive!
Yeah, sure. I'm down.
No.
Oh God.
Why are you invisible?
Bro. Guys. Damn it. How you got a tiny ass
Guys.
No.
Let me in! Let me in!
Let us go down.
No.
Let's just run in. Boys, it's charging. It's
Ready to
charging.
leave. Bye.
Get in. No.
Charging, charging, charging.
Get in! Get in! Ah! Who almost
Okay, let us
pushed me?
go down now. Anyways, I
I
can't
don't want to be in this elevator. Everybody
to save you
scares
guys.
me.
Get for it, Naked. I'm taking you.
I'm staying in
LSPD! Oh, wait. Wow. Come on, boys. Come on.
Air.
Home free, boys. We're home free.
Let's go!
We're home free. Come on.
We made it out alive, guys.
Oh
we made
my
it out
God,
alive.
bro.
We got fresh air. We're getting fresh air.
This is just not any pickaxe. This is a small
I'm
pickaxe.
going. I'm going.
What the I need a landing pad.
Sell that.
Sell it?
There's Dave the Ducks in
The
there.
Foxy Boy.
I'm going to sell all
I did not give us much. I
Oh. I'm gonna put my face
Guys, would you get mad if I kill him?
Help me. Oh, what? I got black.
Guys, you can't kill me.
I want shredder. I want a shredder, please. No PvP.
I got black.
No, give
I got
that back! Give that back! Bro, give that shit back! I hate you, bro. You know that? Give it back, bro. Let's go! I saved my shit.
I got 220 and stuff.
Cooking with Jack. Cooking
then
with
do that.
Jack.
You stupid? I just by my hand cooking with.
So that's the
I
end
know.
of
You
the
guys
update
suck.
today. So
This is
goodbye.
Who wants to